A name engraved with the style and features of the era, an entity experiencing furious business battles, an enterprise bearing the mission of steel mesh industrialization. Jiaoyang Welder, in this ever-changing battlefield, gets stronger and stronger. Despite frustrations in the way ahead, is stepping forward all the way. Jiaoyang, located in the civilized wire mesh hometown Anping, China, established in 1988. Devoted to wire mesh welding equipment manufacturing and steel processing and distribution. Under the strategic planning of based on the mesh capital serve the world, the company carried out a modernized management system combined with industrialization, informatization, standardization, and branding. Jiaoyang became an entity with a high-tech enterprise, combining research and development, manufacturing, sales, and service. Jiaoyang has developed into a professional leader in the field of research and developed wire mesh, resistant wire mesh welding equipment. Welded steel mesh is a new product replacing the traditional manual binding reinforcement products. It's classified as a key promotional application product by the National Ministry of Construction and also issued as a national key encouraging development product by the State Economic and Trade Commission. Jiaoyang Welding Technology Center, applying advanced production process and manufacturing techniques, Perfect CASA PLM industrial design software, and ERP production manufacturing management system, with a strong research and development and production team with independent development ability of intelligent products. The wire mesh welding equipment manufactured by Jiaoyang fully meet the requirement of high standard application of steel welding mesh in highways, water conservancy projects, bridge constructions, airport construction, livestock farming, and various cardio fields, laying a good foundation for the company to be always staying at an international advanced level in the industry. Quality comes from strength, size, and technology create brilliance. In order to meet various needs of customers, the company's products are realized intelligent production in a range of processes, including steel bar stiffening and cutting, automatic horizontal wire and vertical wire feeding, welding forming, automatic mesh turning, automatic mesh stacking, automatic mesh strapping, and automatic outputting. Now, the company supplies automatic feeding production line for both pre-cut wire and coil wire. And depending on the different characteristics of different industries, the company also supplies a series of economical machines. Reinforcing mesh welding machines. Live wires are fed manually and fed automatic. The cross wires are stored with warehousing and automatic feeding. Workable wire diameter is 3 to 12 millimeters. Welding speed is 60 to 120 times per minute. Features of welded wire mesh machine. Both the wires in vertical direction and horizontal direction are feeding from coiling wire. It can weld mesh panel or mesh coil continuously. Mechanical structure is compacted, easy for operation with fully functional. Welding diameter is 1.5 to 3 millimeters. Welding speed is 40 to 80 times per minute. Features of construction mesh welding machine. Vertical wire is fed from coil. Horizontal wire are pre-cut and fed automatic. It can weld a mesh panel or mesh coil continuously. Welding diameter is 2 to 5 millimeters. Welding speed is 40 to 60 times per minute. Quality cage mesh welding machine includes two models: mechanical mesh poly mesh and numerical control poly mesh model. Vertical wire is fed from coil, horizontal wire are pre-cut and fed automatic. It can weld a mesh panel or mesh coil continuously. Welding wire diameter is 2 to 3.5 millimeters, mainly used for production quality cage mesh. Brake-force mesh welding machine features: live wires are fed from coil wire, cross wire are pre-cut and fed automatic. Equipped with automatic wire cutting device, mesh ruling device, it can weld 4 pieces of mesh coil at the same time, mainly used to produce brake-force mesh for construction. Storage shelf mesh welding machine features: live wires are pre-cut wires and the rod is welded on a strip sheet with automatic mesh falling device, mainly used in the production of storage shelves. In addition, the company also developed wire straightening and cutting machine, mesh ruling machine, mesh cutting machine, providing a more convenient configuration for a series of mesh welding machine. Among them, wire straightening and cutting machine can adjust a bar with diameter up to 3 to 12 millimeters, cutting speed 80 to 130 meters per minute, cutting length 0.8 to 12 meters, providing our customers with powerful device support for production of high-quality steel mesh. This is a period full of opportunities and challenges. We say the opportunities and meet the challenges is a social responsibility of every enterprise. According to statistics in June 2014, the company has 243 employees with 34 professional technicians, 103 units of processing machine, milling machine, planing machine, grinding machine, laser machine, machining centers, and other production equipment. The wire mesh welding machine research and developed by Jiaoyang have got 32 patents. The machines have been sold to over 128 cities in 29 provinces, and also have been exported to 63 countries and regions all over the world. The company has already produced more than 3,400 sets of welding equipment unit now. Under the customer support at domestic and abroad, and with our own efforts, Jiaoyang is making vigorous progress in continuous strides and striving on characterized way of struggle and development.